Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna give you a tour of my ensuite. So without further ado, let's get started. Like I said before, it's an ensuite, so it is attached to my master bedroom. It is small, however, I have managed to decorate it without much clutter. This is a ceramic toothbrush holder, then I have an artificial plant, and this is a granite tub on which the wash basin sits. And I have a water dispenser as well, so that not much water is wasted. I also want to have cabinets under the sink. However, it's a work in progress. So once that's done, I'll give you an updated tour as well. Inside the medicine cabinet, I keep few Q-tips in that black box. Then I have set up a Listerine, few face wash as well. Underneath that, I have another cabinet where I keep hand sanitizer, a small perfume, dental floss, and also few gift items from my sister. This is actually a small comb and I use it when I get ready in my ensuite. And this you can see is a choco mask. It helps to reduce puffiness under your eyes. Thumbs up this video if you like what's written. Here I have couple of candles, a perfume bottle for decoration, an artificial plant, and a bathroom freshener. Here I keep few extra hand towels when I'm not using them. Then I have my faithful bathrobe. I actually have paid a fortune for this shower partition, but it's totally worth it. It's frosted, so it is easy to clean. It maintains privacy and adds visual aesthetics too. And when you open the shower partition, this is how the inside looks. First shelf, I keep a pumice stone, a razor, and few oils, and underneath that I have my shampoos. You can always freshen up an old ensuite with a decorating scheme that works for you. When I take long shower, I tend to light the candles as the aroma helps me relax. So we have come to an end of the video, and if you liked it, please do not forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to turn the bell notification as well, so that every time I upload a video you are notified. And see you on my next video. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.